this is what we're working on today. I bought some new tires for this that are going to look pretty awesome and be very capable. I bought a new battery and it hasn't started in quite some time, so I'm sure it'll just fire right up. So I'm gonna get this battery put in here, shove this in here. I'm gonna get this off here, store that over there. So yeah, as you can see, that tire is flat. That one has air in it. That one has air, and that one's flat. So 2 of the 4 are flat. Hopefully this is the key for it, because I'm not really 100% sure. Who knows how many mice are in here? Oh, there's a key in it. Well, I don't know what key that's for then. It's a good sign. That ain't gas. Ah, it has a 1/4 tank of gas. Nope. That would be the battery. Terminals on the battery probably aren't the best. Yeah, it's the ground that's bad. Hopefully we can get it to start. I'll clean those once we get up to the house. Good old 4runner. Read it. There's 228,000 miles on it. Could use a little cleaning. Let's get this up to the house. I think it's in 4-wheel drive. Yes, it's in 4-wheel drive. Hopefully I don't hit the dirt bike. I think we'll be fine. Ah! Sorry, you're hitting the ceiling here. Or the roof. Alrighty. It's really well ventilated, as you can probably see. Hopefully we can make it up this hill. Oh yeah, we're already slipping. Those tires are completely bald too. Come on. Grab. Oh, perfect. I grabbed. I should probably check the coolant and stuff too. And the reason the stability control light, like ABS light and stuff are on, is because I stole an ABS sensor. The ABS sensor from up here, I stole off for my other one because a mouse chewed through the wire, but then they chewed through the wire again. So I have the old one that I'm just gonna splice the wires and put back on there. So I'll have that working again, because the stability control in this actually works really well. The tires completely come off the bead. Hopefully we won't ruin that wheel getting it up there. Woohoo! Don't want to ride on this pavement too much because it's going to ruin the wheel. Just want to get up close to the house. I think this will work. Right here. Thing runs good still. Good old 4runner. These are the awesome tires that I bought for it. Should be pretty good off-road and not get stuck on anything. And hopefully they'll fit on the wheels. They actually look way narrower than I thought they would. These are 7 by 16 R1 tractor tires. So I'm really hoping they will fit these wheels, but they said they're 7-inch, and these wheels are supposed to fit between a 7 and an 8 or 7 and a 9 width tire. So I'm hoping we can get them on there, but these look way wider. We're going to get these tires off, put these on, and we should be good. I'm gonna get a tripod for you guys so you can just kind of stand here and watch. There we go. That'll work. Back's definitely off. There's this one. Simple as that. Very muddy. Now we can put this back. I usually go backwards a little bit just to make sure it's on that lip. Take that out and take it off. Simple as that. So that's the easy one. Helps when the tire's not completely muddy too. Backwards a little. Get that out. Forward. Doesn't get much easier than that. I'm going to take this valve stem out too. I have new ones somewhere right here. So I'm going to put a new valve stem in it as well, just so I don't have to worry about that. There's some metal in there. That works. I'm going to take this to the garden hose, clean the wheel up, and I'll be back. It should be clean enough now. Old residue from tires right there. These are still really disgusting, but this surface is clean and that's all that matters. So now we gotta unwrap these. We need a good knife, so. There you go. Man, that is awfully narrow. That's gonna be really hard to get the bead set. I don't have something to blow the air in there like most tire places have. This tire looks so narrow though. I don't know, I guess we'll see. So they're directional obviously. This will go that way, so it'll go right in there. Like that. Need to lube it up first. This stuff, you're supposed to water it down, but I don't. I don't use it often enough, so I've tried putting some in there, but all the water evaporates out of it and then it gets dried out, so I just shove this right in the bottle like this. Get some on there. It's super slimy stuff. It's supposed to make the tire go on easier, and when it does set, makes it so it seals really good. Put it on here like this. Move it back over, bring it down where it's supposed to be, put that in, down there, that, and then the same thing with the next side. Oops. That. This is when it can be somewhat difficult. That's a lot of area to fill when you're trying to get it to set. These are going to be a huge pain in the butt. I also forgot to put valve stem in, so I'll do that real quick. Pull it through like that. And yeah, undo this, and you got a new valve stem in there. So now we can blast air in through there, but the hard part now is how much gap there is. That's going to be extremely difficult. I've dealt with this before on other stuff. It's very hard to get that set. You can see how much gap there is. Ugh. I honestly don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't have one of those bead blasters. I might have to leave these set overnight with some like spacers to push them out, kind of help the tire expand a little bit before I put them on the wheel. And that might help with doing this because I really don't know how I'm gonna get that on there. Without some help and stuff, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it, but I'll try. See what happens. So what I did was I tried strapping this around the tire to sandwich it to the wheel a little better, and this ratchet was not strong enough, so I went and bought this. So I'm hoping this one will be strong enough to be able to squeeze it tight enough to actually get it to seal. I almost had it with that one, so I'm thinking with this one I should be able to do it. Let's sit like that on here. Get this kind of in the center as good as possible anyway. Boom. Okay, now that that's on, this we want to be in there as much as possible. Which that's probably about as much as possible. Fairly decent. Where'd my air go? I think I got it. I got it. Yeah. Need to pop onto the wheel. There we go. Oh. It looks ridiculous on there. Alright, I need the valve. Kablamo! It's on there. It looks stretched, but it fit. I think if I was gonna do it again, I'd get a wider one, like an 8 or a 9 inch, because it seems to really stretch this to get over there, and it'd give a little bit more surface area, but this will work. These tires were pretty cheap too. They were $340 for all 4 of them. It's not that bad for a 6-ply tractor R1 tires. Let's get all the rest of them done. So that's it. It's all done. Tires are looking pretty awesome on there. I wish I would have went a little wider and maybe even a little taller, but they don't really give like a height spec on the sidewall of these. It's really just width and wheel diameter. I probably should have went a little wider on the tire, but it'll work just fine. How about we go for a little spin in it, because it's been a while since this has had tires on it that actually are inflated. Let's take it for a little spin. Beautiful. Really should wipe this off, but you guys probably can't see it very well. Alright, let's go for a little spin. It feels weird. Feels like a tractor. Let's see how much the mud's flinging up. Which I would never dare to go down here with anything else, because you can see there's water sitting down here. So it's definitely very, very wet and muddy down here. This is a pretty steep hill here. Holy cow, it just grips. That's amazing. These tires are awesome. Holy cow, that's so good. Tractor tires for the win.